Hi, everybody. We are talking about Word right now, and this is just a couple tidbits about Word. First, I am on Word, Microsoft Word web version, so 365. I'm online. And notice right now that my ribbon is like a single line, so it looks like it's not showing everything. But if I want it to show everything, I can just go over here to the right. There's a little pull down menu, click on that, and I can go to Classic Ribbon. And then so now my ribbon is completely there. Now, if you experience quite a few times where it disappears, it comes, it disappears. If you want it to stay still, click this down ribbon again, down arrow, look for show ribbon and have always show ribbon. I like to keep it always on this. Show tabs, I don't like that, but if you want to see it, this is what, let's see if I can get it. Show tabs just shows that. It's not the end of the world. And then when you hover over it, it shows everything. I'm not a big fan of that because it's hard to get it back because it moves a bit for me. So I'm always going to have always show ribbon. All right. So now what we're talking about is we're talking about titles and headings. So right now I have a bunch of regular font typed. And so I'm going to show you title option 1. So when you write a document, the title is basically it shows up once on your document. That's the title. It's the main, it's usually on the first page and it tells you what the document's going to be about. And so most of us will write the title, then we will go in here and then we'll change the font size. And then we might bold it and then we might center it. That's how most of us over the years have created titles. So what we're going to do differently though is let me get out of that and let me clear. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the styles category or tab and I am going to, oops, and I'm going to pick title. Notice there's only one title option, at least in the default, and now it's the title. And then that's the way you want to do it. All right, so that was actually option 2. Now, what's the difference between title and headings? Headings are like the subcategories. So once you have a title, you're talking about cars, and then you have subheadings on different models of cars. Then what you do is when you make a heading, same thing. You can go ahead and type, but choose heading 1 or heading 3 or heading 2. And then let's see, let's do heading 2 here. So you can pull that. And then you can go heading 1. Let's see, heading 1 and heading 2 just to make sure. And then now these are default to heading types and sizes. So this is what you call the style. All right. So anyway, so what's the advantage of doing this? Well, the advantage is that 1 is consistent, and then 2, these styles are in place also for ADA purposes. So it helps people who use screen readers and they need a little more help with maybe they have visual impairments and stuff. So when the screen readers read this, it the screen readers understand that this is a title and they understand that this is a heading. When you go in and you just increase the font, it doesn't understand that as a new category or a new title. And that's why we use it. And it just helps with consistency. So this is just a quick tidbit on the ribbon and a quick tidbit on title versus headings. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. See you later. Bye-bye.